Hi everyone, Johnny from Gecko here. Just wanted to put together a quick video outlining some new and improved features that we've just released within Gecko Chat to help monitor conversations coming in along with our filters. So what I'm going to talk to you today is custom filters. You might have used the functionality before where you had to go in and make a new custom filter to search for the conversations, maybe the live chat channel, the Facebook channel that you were looking for to continue with your day-to-day work. The new feature that we have released today allows you now to save these custom filters and pin them to your tab bar at the top here. For one, they can stay accessible all the time without having to recreate, and you have quick and easy access to these as well. I'll be walking through how to set these up, how we can pin them, how we can unpin. But if you've got any questions at all on this, feel free just to start a conversation with the support team. And as always, we'll be more than happy to talk you through any questions and feedback from this. The first thing you do when you want to jump in is click into Custom Filter. From here, you can see no filters found. And the first thing we want to do is create a new filter. The filter options you can go from is status, so it's been the status of the conversation. Is it open? Has it been closed? And you can do agent, you can do team, if it's a bot, a last channel, if it's what time it started, and a particular tag as well. So you could also put in these tags too. You have the option as well to use more than one. So if you want status is open, and the agent is, so let's put myself down here, we can do that, and we can remove filters as well from within that too. You've got three options in the bottom. You can clear a filter, which will allow you to start again. You can save the filter, and you can apply the filter. Apply filter will allow you to do it on a one-off. However, what we're going to do is click Save Filter, and we're going to give it a name. So we'll call that Save Filter 1. You have the option here as well if you'd like to pin it or not pin it to the toolbar. For this demo, I won't pin it just to start with. When I click Save Filter, we can see my custom filter has been created. And we can see here when I click into my custom filter that we have one saved filter called Save Filter 1. We can click into that and that will pull through, and we can see there's one conversation that meets that filter from within there. You can go in and edit that filter through the Edit Filter button and the same button here. You can pin this filter, so if I click pin, that will bring it up to our bar up here, and you can also go in and delete that filter as well. We'll go through that again. So what you can do is select your status is open, and let's add a new one where agent is Amy, and let's go and save that filter. This time we'll call this Save Filter 2, and we'll pin this from straight away to the toolbar and save that filter there. You can see we've got a Save Filter 2, Save Filter 1, and they're now both pinned up to the top. One thing to point out when you are creating these filters is that you can only have two pinned at the top here. You can have as many filters as you like coming down here, but only two can be pinned. So if I go in to create a new filter now, where the agent is, let's go for Amy again, and we apply it and we save that filter. It says you've already got two pinned custom filters, so we can't add any more. What you can do is you can save filter 3 and save filter. You can unpin ones and pin new ones very easily through a couple of clicks like that as well. A few things to point out, as I mentioned, only two filters up here, and the filter titles can be up to a maximum of 15 characters as well. Hope you enjoy the new feature. Let us know your feedback and look forward to seeing everyone use it. Thank you.